Hi everyone, you're watching ArcFix Pro, and to all our YouTube channel subscribers. Today, we'll be doing a clean, detailed review of the Rasanta Sai19 welding machine. So, what kind of machine is this? We'll take a look at the internal construction, and at the end of the video, we'll test how much current it delivers and see whether it works properly or not. And then, friends, we've been getting a lot of questions lately asking which welding machines are worth using, and which ones we recommend. Every welding machine has its own pros and cons. For example, if we look at some Chinese-made welders, many of them work well at low voltage. However, some other machines don't operate at low voltage because they have built-in protection systems that shut down the control circuitry. So, each welder comes with its own advantages and disadvantages. The best ones are this Rasanta 220PN, a really solid, tough machine, and the EPA 250 Xi'an Mata 50Fe2 are also working really well. There are also Chinese-made Rasanta welders that can operate at low voltage, but they tend to break down more often. Now, let's do a proper, detailed review of this machine. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends. Alright, let's begin. We'll take a look at the internal construction of our Rasanta Sai19 welding machine and see how it's built. Starting with the bridge rectifier, it has a solid, original heatsink, a high-quality component. Next, the power supply section is also very good. It uses the UC384 to control the power supply, and the K3878 transistor is also very robust. Next, we have for power transistors rated at 30 amps and 600 volts. On the output side, there are for SAIN603 power diodes, which is a solid choice. The main switching power transistor is also well-sized and robust. At the output, chokes inductors are installed. And for current monitoring, a current transformer is used. If any kind of short circuit overload occurs, the system automatically shuts down for protection. When it comes to the control section, the system uses the UC384 and LM32 for ICS. Overall, the control system is excellent, the PCB quality is solid, and this machine is very well suited for professional welding work. Honestly, there's nothing bad to say about this unit. The internal construction is top-notch. Now let's assemble it back together and test the output current. We've reassembled the machine. I couldn't film the repair process, but I've restored it to excellent condition. As you can see, everything is clean and tidy. Now let's go ahead and test it. We turn on the machine. The input voltage is 220 volts. We start testing at low current, and the arc strikes good. Let's increase it to 60 amps. Now we move up to 100 amps. It's giving a full 100 amps. Impressive. We set it to 140 amps. Very good. It's delivering exactly 140 amps. This machine is giving the exact current it's rated for. Let's increase it again to 150 amps. Excellent. Really impressive. Now we test it at maximum. At full setting, it delivers a solid 150 amps. Now, friends, let's lower the input voltage and see what happens. We set the input to 150 volts and turn the current to maximum. At this point, it delivers about 50 to 60 amps. So even here, this machine cannot deliver high current at low voltage. Now let's increase the voltage. We set it to 170 volts, and now it delivers around 120 amps of current. Friends, in short, this machine operates reliably from 170 volts up to 240 volts. As for the machine itself, It's really good. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video. If you're interested in welding, stay tuned for more tips and reviews. See you next time.